Hello beautiful souls, good morning. So, andito na naman tayo for another reading. This is a reading for you today to give guidance for today on how your day is going. So, today is the 22nd of December, so a few days before Christmas. So, anong mangyayari sa atin today? What advice can the cards give us for your day today? Let's get an advice, just a one card pull for all the followers out there. Okay, so now is an important time to do a little bit of shadow work. Ang ibig sabihin ng shadow work, yung kailangan mag-isip tayo deep down within kung ano yung mga bagay na kinatatakutan natin o yung mga bagay na iniiwasan natin. Because unless we conquer our fears, we won't be able to move forward. May mga bagay tayo na iniiwasan, may mga bagay tayo na gustong itago na ayaw natin tanggapin. So subconsciously embedded lang siya dyan. So we have to do a little bit of introspection para malaman natin kung ano yung mga fears natin at saka yung reason kung bakit meron tayong mga ganong kinds of fears or ganong kinds ng takot. Kasi kailangan i-work out natin yon. Unless we work it out, we won't be able to learn how to get past through it. Okay? And then another card. Okay, so I know na iniisip nyo rin na probably gusto nyo na talagang mabigyan ng solusyon kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan nyo, and you're thinking about getting some help. So now is the right time to face your fears. Okay, so let's get another card for guidance. Okay, so unless you settle or you unless malagpasan mo kung ano man yung mga inner fears mo o yung mga bagay na ayaw mo sa sarili mo, hanggat hindi mo natatanggap yun, you won't be able to move forward. Now, after you conquer all your fears, naharap mo kung ano man yung mga problema mo, at saka nalaman mo kung ano talaga yung root cause, that's the time that you will be moving forward. You have a great destiny ahead of you. Hindi natin alam dahil dyan sa pinagdadaanan mo, kung ano man yan, emotional problem, financial problem. In the future, pag nalampasan mo yan, magme-mentor ka pa ng ibang mga tao who is undergoing the same things as you are. Kasi, di ba, sometimes, ang makakaunawa lang sa iba ay yung mga tao na nakaranas din ng ganong klaseng circumstances or experience. So, yung experience na pinagdadaanan mo ngayon will be valuable to other people in the future because you'll be able to help. You will be able to give them advice kung ano mga dapat gawin pag naka-encounter ng mga problemang ganito. So, you will be helpful in the long run. Siguro nakikita ko na after you accomplish or after you pull through your fears or your problems right now, you will be a great help to society and a great help to people. Siguro baka pasukin mo counseling or maging mentor ka, financial mentor or something. So that's all folks. I hope you give me a follow para makapag-live na rin ako. Have a great day ahead and take care. Bye!